outfit of the day, you guys. I'm in country. Why? Look how me sexy. So I'm just going match right now.
Jesus Christ.
Me cross over because you can't walk corners. Good morning. This is what, Christmas Eve? Oh my gosh, it's like I forgot what to say. I have like a Caribbean brain right now. But if you're a returning subscriber, I thank you. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Today I'm going Lucy. If I sound out of breath, I was kind of like walking pretty fast. But yeah, I'm going Lucy to see if they can tint my eyebrow again. I don't want to talk about what happened. I had my eyebrows done in foreign, but I kind of fucked it up, which was my fault. Yeah. So I don't even know what's happening tonight. Like, people are going Grand Market, but I feel like it's a little pitney something, you know? I'm grown. Yeah, so I'm heading to Lucy. If I can't get my eyebrows done, I'm not gonna stress about it. I'll do my own makeup. But before I even get my eyebrows done, I already checked out the page, but I want to make sure that they do a good job. So I'm gonna check the page more again. Beauty Bar Day Spa. Can I have chairs? I'm gonna give you a slice of the Aw, thank you. I appreciate you for helping me.
Oh, my pleasure.
You saved me, actually.
I did.
I look like a mess before. Back on the tree, God. Look, fine niceness. It's going on YouTube, you know. It's going on YouTube. Cousin and her watch Bati.
Kalia, mommy, of course.
And this is Kalia. You can't smile. No. She's not gonna smile. We're only here because to take a few pictures and then go home. Right? Right, true. We want to go party, but we can't. We can't go party. But that's okay. There's always New Year. There's always New Year. New Year can't catch you. New Year, we cannot be Lucy. We have to be Big Girl. Okay? Cousin outside. She outside. About time. She get liquor break. Well deserved.
Israel, any other
Well, Lucy Park.
Snap it back for me.
Oh, a vlog me a vlog, but hold on. Yeah? Brown man, Merry Christmas. Where you go give me for Christmas? Yeah. Where you say? Here you are. You're bright. You're bright. I want one drink. And you full of money? You're full of money. Alright, soon come back.
You can't drink and drink.
Hold on. No?
Let's be a celebrity.
This I go on YouTube, you know. Hello.
I'm going to Toronto soon, you know. Don't worry.
This I go on YouTube.
One more shot of the vaccine, I'm going to Toronto. One more.
Is who gonna take you to Toronto? Who's taking you to Toronto?
Maybe myself. There's have to take one more shot. For the vaccine.
Where's the photo? You have your drink? You have your drink? Alright. Another balloon?
Jada.
Hold on. You're on the vlog, guys.
Vloggy.
What is man?
Gotcha.
Move your big head photo.
That may tell us you hold the iPhone. Okay, boy.
You're in my frame. Move.
Alright, come in for me.
Dana, I respect Dana. What did I say?
Me have
No. When
this.
people are telling her, talk to you, tell me not telling something wrong. What you say want me do? What you want me do? What you want me do?
This good camera footage, you know.
What you want me do? What you want me to fight? She not fake along so with the man for the road.
Everybody, yo.
Disrespect people who want to know for the road do. That me know.
Oh.
Oh, you know, yeah, you know, disrespect them.
What about that?
You know what that's too?
Yeah.